within the Igbo-speaking, larger Igbo-speaking group. The minorities which I represent, my name is Andy Wabali. I'm an Ikwere. I'm from Ikwere. I'm from Isiokpo in Ikwere local government. My people, we call ourselves the Ihuronha people. And our relationship, I want to dwell very much on our relationship and what the way forward that will go, since this is Haneze, yesterday, present, and in the future. I see myself very much as an Igbo man.
The time is now. Ikweres are identifying that they are Igbos. You want to go? If you are not happy that Igbo bofu, please, there are transformers around you. You can hug them. We don't care. Anyway, I want to use this opportunity to draw at the attention of my Igbo brothers and sisters. The word Biafra is a baby to where the Igbo is. So whenever I'm talking of Igbo unity and Igbo love, stop talking about Biafra. Because Biafra is a name of a geographical location. It is not a tribe. Just the same way some people think that being in a state makes you a tribe. No, that is what you are trying to portray. I'm talking of Igbo as a tribe. Do not bring Biafra into the equation. It was the Portuguese that named this location as a Biafra. And when the Portuguese name it, go and study. Even Bonny Island, Bayelsa, some part of Port Harcourt, Rivers, Ijaw regions and Calabars were inclusive because their camp where they are keeping slaves is in Calabar, and they have an island, Bonny, where they board and take the slave to their country. The same thing they have in Badagry. And they have an island they call a point of no return, where they bought the slave and take it to their country. So the Igbo nation or the Igbo unity I'm talking about is beyond Biafra agitation. I am not talking about Biafra here. Biafra is just a baby. Igbo has been existing before there is a time of slave trade, before there is colonization, before there is amalgamation, before there is existence of Nigeria, before the great states. If you notice, just the same way you have like the Yorubas in Togo or in Benin Republic or in Ghana, there are Igbos in those areas too. There are Igbo in Sierra Leone. Answer Igbo name, bearing Igbo culture in some part of Southern American continent. We are talking of Igbo unity as a tribe. The way you have the Jews in other parts of the country that are not only residing in Israel, but that's where we are talking of Igbo, unification of Igbos. And every Igbo in every other small state in Nigeria. So stop bringing Biafra into the equation. Because you are limiting the Igbo unity by calling it a Biafra. They just pick the two names from Bia and Fra, which is come take, and start calling it the port, or later the Britain call it the Bright of Biafra. That's what I am telling you. The Portuguese are the one who even this Igbo we are answering is not our name. The Portuguese are the one that started calling us Igbo. We are Igbo, the Asian people. Igbo, that's the real name. But when they cannot pronounce Igbo, they start calling it Igbo. That's how Igbo now came about. If you see, Asaba name is not Asaba. Asaba name is Ahaba. They are the one that corrupted and start calling it Asaba. We should understand this truth and stop dragging us back with Biafra agitation. I'm not in the secession period here. We are first of all talking of uniting with our brothers, home and abroad, wherever they find themselves. Those who are in other states like Kogi, like Bayelsa, like Akwa Ibom, like Rivers, like Delta, like Edo, should be able to unite them first as a tribe. Biafra is not a tribe. The map of Biafra do not only include Igbos.